If I walk from here to the other room, I get tired, I give out of breath. I had to stop and rest in between.
About a year before I was diagnosed, I was feeling myself getting tired of doing laps in the swimming pool. I couldn't do as many, but I thought it was just the age creeping up on it.
No podía caminar. Me cansaba por completo y levantar cosas pesadas tampoco. Me sentía como mareada. Entonces, pues ya comencé a sentir esos estragos.
I didn't realize how bad it was until I was overexerting myself. So I think I deteriorated for a period of time and didn't even know it.
And I said, well, I gotta get some help. I gotta do something because I ain't ready to leave here.
Yo lo que quería es salvarme. Allá me van a dar vida, allá me voy. Tan sencillo. Digo, ya cuando está uno así, dices tú, pues.
I think it's helped me realize that I am not invincible, that I do need help, and I got the help I needed at the time, and it makes me feel pretty good.
Vivir un poco más y que no se le cierren las puertas, que se abran.
If I hadn't had the TAVR procedure, I wouldn't be out pruning, swimming, golfing. I'd probably be sitting on the couch. It gave me a new lease on life.
Es una realidad en la que estoy viviendo, en la cual pues yo recomiendo con los ojos cerrados.
I can walk, I can dance, I can cook, drive, basically do anything I want to do. Live life to the fullest every single day. That's what I do.